Ever wondered who really controls the data you share online? What if you could take that control back? Imagine a world where you hold the reins to your personal information. This is the promise of self-sovereign identity, or SSI, a revolutionary approach that turns the traditional data control model on its head. Unlike the old days of centralized databases where large corporations held sway over vast amounts of personal data, SSI empowers you, the user. With SSI, your data resides securely on your own device. You decide who gets to see what and when. It's about putting you in the driver's seat. Instead of data being a commodity that's traded without your consent, SSI uses technologies like digital signatures and blockchain to ensure that you can share your information safely and on your terms. This shift isn't just technical. It represents a fundamental change in the way personal information is managed and shared in the digital age. SSI isn't just a technology, it's a movement towards personal data empowerment. To fully grasp SSI, we need to understand its key players, issuers, holders, and verifiers. In the realm of self-sovereign identity, the issuer is quite the pivotal character. Think of them as the trusted authorities or organizations that generate and provide verifiable credentials. These credentials are akin to digital versions of your driver's license or passport, but they're designed for the digital world. Moving on, we have the holders. That's likely you and me. Holders are individuals who manage and control their own digital identities. Through the use of digital wallets, holders can store these verifiable credentials securely on their own devices. This empowers them to maintain privacy and decide when and what part of their identity they wish to share. Then there are the verifiers. These are entities, often businesses or service providers, that need to confirm the authenticity of the credentials presented to them. Verifiers use specific technologies, such as digital signatures and blockchain, to ensure that the credentials haven't been tampered with and are indeed issued by a legitimate source. This triad forms a dynamic and interdependent ecosystem. Issuers provide the credentials, holders keep and control them, and verifiers validate their authenticity. It's a seamless loop of trust that operates on the principles of transparency and security. With these roles clearly defined, the SSI ecosystem functions smoothly, ensuring secure and private transactions. Now imagine enhancing privacy in SSI with a technology that computes data without exposing it. Enter multi-party computation, or MPC, a pivotal technology that significantly boosts the privacy and security features of self-sovereign identity. MPC works by allowing multiple parties to compute data together without any of them actually seeing the other party's inputs. Imagine a group of people, each holding a piece of a puzzle. They can work together to assemble the puzzle, yet no one sees the other pieces except their own. This is essentially how MPC operates, but in the digital realm. Each party computes on fragments of encrypted data, ensuring that the data remains confidential throughout the process. This feature of MPC is particularly crucial for SSI, where maintaining control and privacy over personal identifiable information is paramount. By integrating MPC with SSI systems, users can engage in transactions or verifications without exposing their underlying personal data. They can prove their identity, age, or any other credential without actually revealing the information itself. Moreover, MPC not only secures data but also enriches the functionalities within the SSI framework. It allows for more complex computations and verifications, going beyond basic identity checks to include multifaceted transactions and interactions, all while ensuring that the confidentiality of the user data is never compromised. MPC doesn't just protect data, it revolutionizes how we can safely compute and verify complex data in an SSI framework. SSI and MPC together can do more than just verify identities. Let's explore how. Multi-party computation, or MPC, is a real game changer when it comes to the complex applications within self-sovereign identity systems. Take the COVID-19 passports, for instance. In a world where privacy concerns are skyrocketing, the ability to confirm someone's health status without exposing any additional personal information is crucial. This is where MPC shines. By matching an individual's face with their stored image securely, it ensures that only the necessary data for verification is used, keeping other personal details out of sight. But the capabilities of MPC don't stop there. Consider private data analytics, a field that demands both confidentiality and accuracy. MPC allows for the computation of data like calculating averages or financial forecasts without ever exposing the individual data points. This means businesses can gain insights from their data while fully preserving the privacy of the individuals involved. Moreover, MPC supports multifunctional applications in SSI by enabling both proof and computation of multiple parameters within a single process. This flexibility accommodates additional business requirements such as complex policy checks or personalized services, all while maintaining strict data privacy. From health passports to private analytics, MPC's integration with SSI opens up a world of possibilities for secure and private digital interactions. This technology doesn't just protect individual privacy, it redefines the very nature of how we can safely interact and transact in our increasingly digital world. As we've seen, SSI coupled with MPC technology is reshaping our digital world. Let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've covered and consider what lies ahead for digital identity. Self-sovereign identity, or SSI, marks a significant shift from traditional centralized data models. It empowers users by allowing them to store their personal data on their devices and manage who gets access to it. This approach not only enhances privacy, but also gives individuals true ownership of their information. In the SSI ecosystem, three main roles are crucial: issuers, holders, and verifiers. Issuers are the entities that provide verifiable credentials. Holders, typically the users, possess and control these credentials, and verifiers are those who need to confirm the holder's credentials. The interactions among these roles are secured using decentralized identifiers and digital signatures, leveraging blockchain technology for transparency and tamper resistance. Multi-party computation, or MPC, plays a pivotal role in enhancing the SSI framework. It allows for the computation of data by multiple parties without any of them actually seeing the other's data, ensuring privacy and security. This technology supports not just simple ID verification, but also complex applications requiring calculations on private data, such as health records or financial information. Looking forward, the potential for SSI and MPC to transform other areas of digital interaction is immense. From healthcare to finance, any sector handling sensitive personal data can benefit from these technologies, ensuring privacy and security while maintaining efficiency. The journey towards truly owning our digital identities is just beginning, and technologies like SSI and MPC are leading the way. Take control, stay informed,